Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video I want to teach you guys how you can redeem your gift card. Some of you don't have a vendor, a reliable vendor, and maybe you don't want them to scam you, you don't want them to rip you off your card. This video is for you. So if you want to trade your gift card, it's very simple. You don't need to give any vendor, you don't need to stress yourself. Just download this app. I've come across this app like 3 years back or 4 years back, and the app is still reliable, it's still fast and reliable. So firstly, you head over to your Play Store or App Store to download the app. The app is called Giftcard to Naira. See the app here, Giftcard to Naira. So once you see the app like this, you can see the rate, you can see people review about the app. This one is not, you can see star, you can see it. The app is very reliable. You can see it. You should know that this app has positive this thing. So you download the app, because most people don't know about the app. You download the app. After downloading the app, you will open it. So once you open it, the good thing is that the app is available for Nigeria and Ghana. You see it now. So you can create an account. If you are in Ghana, this is good for you. So once you want to redeem your gift card, just head over and download this app. It's very reliable and fast. So once you download the app, if you are from Nigeria, you just choose your normal this thing. You continue and you fill up this space. Once you fill it, continue. If you are registering on this app, please use my referral code so that they will give you bonus on your first trade. Use my referral bonus. I'll put the link, I'll put the referral code in the description below. Use my referral code so that we can all gain together. You know as it goes. So see the place now. You can see after you choose your country, you fill the info. Like me now, I have an account already, so I don't need to create an account. So it's very easy to create an account. Just fill the info, and let me just log in my details. I will log in my details. So once you are on this page now, allow, you can see the app now. See the app interface. So see the app interface. It's very easy to use. You can add your bank account. See my bank account. Any bank of your choice. If you are using any bank, see it. If you are using OP, if you are using PalmPay, you can add it. So see, after you register, just make sure you complete all the necessary stuff. And if you want to trade gift card, just click on sell gift card. It's very easy. You can see their rates. They have good rates. You don't want to get scammed, because some people are too greedy. They'll be looking for high rate. Just come to this app. It's very easy. Just come to this. That is why I'm here for you guys, to not fall into scammers' hands. So just come to this app, download it, gift card to Naira. Once you download it, see their this thing, their rates. They used to drop it, they used to update it every this thing. You see it on the app. Let me check where the app is. Okay, this is their top gift card. You can see the rate. So I don't know what you are looking for. You're going to people that will scam you. So once you are on the app, let me say, okay, you want to sell your gift card now. Let's do some expense. So just select the country of the card, and you can see it. You select the details here. The minimum of the card is from $10 to $500. You just select it here. So once you select it, you put the amount of the card and you upload the card. Once you upload the card, they will show you the amount in Naira straight. See, you know your okay, let's choose the card. Let's choose this. So let's choose it like this. So you know the fate instantly. You can see your rates instantly. This is what you are getting, and you upload the image of the card, put the e-code. Once you put the e-code, you click on confirm, and they will process it within some minutes. They will credit it into your bank account. That is how easy it is. So let me show you that I've used this app, and this app I've used it for a long period of time. You can see the, let me go to the history, see the history, check the date, 2021, 9 years back, 2022, 24, 25. That is 4 years back. That is 4 years back that I've been on this platform. You can see it now. It's very reliable, very reliable. So you can just download the app and go through it, use it. Don't get scammed by any vendor, or you tell don't, you can be vendor on your own. You can still use it to become a vendor on your own. So make sure you use my promo code. Use it, is in the description below. Use it and download the app from the right source so I won't get scammed. So that is how it goes. If you enjoy this, please like this video, drop a comment and share this video to your loved ones, to your friends, so that they won't get scammed online. Just send it, share it, so that this video will go viral. And if you don't want to miss my updates, please join the Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. In all, the link is already in the description below. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.